All right. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tarisha from Integrity Immigration Group. Today we have Miss Supreme Call from. All right. So today we have Miss Supreme Call from the King's University, situated in Alberta, Canada. So today we are going to discuss the majority of things like admission eligibility. We have to discuss regarding the programs, intakes, and English proficiency requirement, and regarding the application process and offer letter processing. So over to you.
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much, Tanisha ma'am, for giving King's University and me the platform so that we could be live on your platform and on your Facebook page, and we could be in direct touch with the students, and we can provide them the information and latest updates about King's University. And thank you so much. So I'm Sukleen, Manager South Asia from King's University. एंड अगर आप किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं सबसे पहले लोकेशन की, सो किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी इज लोकेटेड इन एडमिंटन एल्बर्टा. And Edmonton जो है, it is one of the main cities of Alberta. So the student would be going to the main city अगर आप King's University की बात करते हैं. Secondly, we have program options for all the streams: arts, medical, non-medical, and commerce. And the most important, many students they are seeking for permanent residency these days, like after completing their studies. So, if students want the early permanent residency, they're looking for easy and early permanent residency, then Alberta is a wonderful province for them. So, yes. So this was a brief description about the King's University. So, when we talk about programs, as I told you, we have program options for all the students. So we have program options for arts, medical, non-medical, and commerce. So when you talk about arts, we have bachelors of arts, we have bachelors of arts and then different specialization. जब आप बैचलर डिग्री की बात करते हैं तो हमारे पास जो बैचलर डिग्रीज हैं वो 3 years की भी हैं और वो 4 years की हैं, ठीक है. और कुछ जो बैचलर डिग्रीज हैं उनमें चॉइस है वेदर द स्टूडेंट वांट्स टू ऑप्टेड फॉर अ 3 year और फॉर अ 4 year बैचलर डिग्री, राइट. सो अगर आप बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स की बात करते हैं तो जो बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स है दैट इज मेनली लाइक फॉर 3 years. So we have specialization into English, history, philosophy, sociology, psychology, theology, and then PHE. ये PHE क्या है? That is Bachelors of Arts into Politics, History, and Economics. This is a combined program. So बहुत सारे students हैं, they want to do a government job into Canada. So agar students, if you want to pursue a government job into Canada, then you can pursue this program, be a bachelor's of art into politics, history, economics. And this is one of its own kind in North America, this program. This is being, taught in the Oxford University, and after Oxford University, it is being taught in King's University. So, अगर कोई भी student interested है government job करने के लिए, तो then this program is a wonderful option for them. Then we have bachelors of, bachelors of commerce. We have specialization into accounting, not profit and social entrepreneurship, it's small business and management. So again, students and general business, of course. And अगर students again अपने interest के accordingly अपना स्पेशलाइजेशन चूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि कोई स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जैसे कि दे वांट टू परस्यू लाइक they want to do CPA into Canada. तो जो हमारा Bachelors of Commerce with accounting specialization है, the course contents are exactly the same. So अगर कोई भी student they want to pursue CPA into Canada, then of course Bachelors of Commerce into accounting, it's a 4-year degree. It's a wonderful option for those students. And then we have a Bachelors of Science. So for Bachelors of Science, we have specialization into biology, chemistry, computing science, and environmental studies. Right. So I would like to mention over here, जो हमारा BA Biology, that is a 3-year degree. It does not require maths for the admission. जब भी अगर आप जो भी medical वाले students हैं, it's a wonderful opportunity for them. If they do not have maths in their 12th standard, then they can opt for BA Biology, which is a 3-year degree into King's University. And
Because
yes,
yeah,
go ahead.
yeah, I just wanted to add on, because the students who have like a majority of issues regarding this only, they doesn't have maths but unable to proceed with the, so they can be this one is very great opportunity for all those students.
एग्जैक्टली एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब आप कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट्स की बात करते
Right.
हैं we are दे कैन अप्लाई विदाउट if they do not have +2 mathematics, no issues for them at all. They can still apply and get admission into the King's University. When they reach there, they have to just give one maths test, and their admission is confirmed. And अगर उनका maths test per chance clear नहीं होता है, देन ऑफ कोर्स उनको एक फाउंडेशन लग जाएगा, एक उनको क्लासेस होंगी उनकी, जो उनको मैथ्स की क्लास, उसके बाद उनको उसमें पढ़ाया जाएगा और उसके बाद उनका एग्जाम लिया जाएगा. सो अगेन एनी स्टूडेंट जिनके पास कॉमर्स में मैथ्स नहीं है, मेडिकल में मैथ्स नहीं है, सो यू नीड नॉट टू वरी, बिकॉज किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी इज गिविंग एडमिशन टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स. And जो हमारी biology degree है, right after the graduation, the students can directly apply into the Alberta Society of Professional Biologists. Like right after the graduation, BSc Biology, we have two biology degrees, BSc Biology and then BA Biology. BA Biology is a 3-year degree, does not require maths. BSc Biology is a 4-year degree which require maths. So if any time during the 3 years, if the student feels कि उसको अपग्रेड करना है फ्रॉम BA बायोलॉजी टू BSc बायोलॉजी, देन नो इश्यूज, वो अपना मैथ्स टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और वो कभी भी अपनी डिग्री को अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप केमिस्ट्री वालों स्टूडेंट्स की भी बात करते हो, है ना, जो हमारे केमिस्ट्री वाले डिग्री है, दैट इज BSc केमिस्ट्री, दैट इज accredited by Canadian Society of Chemists. So, right after the graduation, the student can be designated as a professional chemist. So, अगर students का chemistry में interest है, then again, BSc chemistry or BSc chemistry is a wonderful option for them. अगर आप BA chemistry की बात करते हो, that is a 3-year degree. And अगर आप BSc chemistry की बात करते हो, that is a 4-year degree. और जब आप कंप्यूटिंग साइंस की बात करते हो, इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज की बात करते हो, तो ये दोनों 4-year डिग्रीज हैं. राइट, बेसिकली जो कॉमर्स वाली डिग्रीज है, दैट इज अ 4-year, वो हमारी 4 साल वाली डिग्रीज हैं. आर्ट्स में बहुत सारी डिग्रीज है जो कि सिर्फ 3 साल वाली है, मेडिकल के लिए 3 साल वाली डिग्री है. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्टूडेंट कि उनको कैसे चूज करना है. एंड अब मैं स्टूडेंट्स को ये बताना चाहूंगी, लाइक व्हाट सेट्स किंग्स अपार्ट. किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों डिफरेंट है बाकी यूनिवर्सिटीज से. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट, सबसे पहले क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन. द क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन एट किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी इज नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. And when you talk about the professors of the King's University, जो हमारे professors हैं, 90% of the professors at the King's University are PhD. और हमारे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि पेड रिसर्चर की तरह काम कर रहे हैं हमारे प्रोफेसर्स के अंडर. और हमारे जो प्रोफेसर्स हैं, दे हैव वन मेनी अवार्ड्स. दैट इज लाइक, I would like to quote one of our professor over here, Dr. Peter. He has won this C3 award, that is College Chemistry Canada Award. And this award is given to the personalities who have made contribution to the quality of education. So, King's University के professors ऐसे awards जीत चुके हैं, which are very reputed and very honorable awards in Canada. So, the students would be studying with the best professors across the globe. And उसके बाद अगर हम बात करते हैं, then we have bachelors of music. So again, any student who wants to pursue their career into the music, so bachelors of music is a wonderful option for them. Then we have bachelors of education. So जब आप bachelors of education की बात करते हैं, so that is into elementary and secondary. So that program tells you that how to be a great teacher into Canada. तो उसके लिए क्या है, आप कोई भी 3-year की डिग्री आपको बेसिकली ग्रेजुएशन किंग से करना पड़ेगा in order to do the bachelors of education. कनाडा में अदरवाइज टीचिंग प्रोफेशन चूज करना और टीचर बनना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है. यू नीड टू हैव good quality of education. तो आप students अगर कुछ right after their 12th standard, they need to be clear what they want to do, whether they want to be a professional chemist, whether they want to be a counselor, like they can choose BA psychology, whether they want to do CPA, professional accountant करना है उनको, so they need to be very clear, or whether they want to be a teacher. So right after the 12th standard, the student needs to be clear, because that's high time, right? So अगर किसी को teaching pursue करना है तो 3 साल की कोई भी graduation के बाद student they can club this with 2 years of bachelor's of education. And government of Alberta requires 12 weeks of practice into the field, and at King's University we provide 18 weeks of practice, which is much more than that. राइट सो आपके लिए फील्ड में जाके जॉब करना बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा अगर आप किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी से बैचलर्स ऑफ एजुकेशन करते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद वी हैव स्टडी अब्रॉड सेमेस्टर. जो हमारे प्रोग्राम्स हैं, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव स्टडी अब्रॉड सेमेस्टर, बिकॉज हम नहीं चाहते कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स 3 साल या 4 साल एक ही कैंपस में पढ़ के वो बोर हो जाएं. सो वी सेंड देम अब्रॉड ताकि वो एक सेमेस्टर वहां पे लगाएं, एंड दे हैव एन इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर. सो द स्टूडेंट्स दे गो टू डिफरेंट कंट्रीज लाइक नीदरलैंड्स, थाईलैंड. तो ऐसे की कंट्रीज में वो जाते हैं जहाँ पे they have an study abroad semester. And we have like जो हमारे environmental studies वाले student है, they go to Abu Saib Institute of Environmental Studies. उसका जो campus है वो कोस्टा रिका या मिशिगन में है. So ऐसे ऐसे areas में हम students को भेजते हैं ताकि उनको एक international exposure मिले, because these are the small things, and all of our programs have internships as well. तो हम because from the day one we make our student competent enough, because whenever they they would be going out, जब वो outer world में जाएंगे, they need to have different skills, and these are the small experiences, study abroad semester, internships, these are the small things which would make them different from the other students. And we also have MICA certificate. So this is basically, sorry. So this is basically a MICA certificate, which is given to the students whenever they go to a quest and participate. It is held in Mexico and discuss about the issues of global poverty, peacemaking, and social justice. और उनको उसके लिए एक certificate दिया जाता है. And this gives the international exposure to the students, which is much needed in today's scenario. So ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो कि स्टूडेंट को एक अलग बनाएंगी बाकी स्टूडेंट से. स्टडी अब्रॉड सेमेस्टर, and this MICA certificate, internship. So जब भी वो एक उनको जॉब लेना आसान हो जाएगा. एंड जब आप रिक्वायरमेंट्स की बात करते हैं, सो किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स भी बहुत इजी हैं. एंड इफ यू नीड टू हैव लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी जस्ट हैव बैचलर डिग्रीज, एंड देन उसके बाद जो 12th स्टैंडर्ड में आपकी परसेंटेज है, मिनिमम शुड बी 60%. ऑल राइट, ऑफ कोर्स हमें कोर सब्जेक्ट्स के मार्क्स की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. द ओवरऑल परसेंटेज शुड बी 60%. All right, and IELTS में the student needs to score 6.5 overall, no less than 5.5 in one module. So this is the IELTS requirement, and of course we are also accepting 6 bands overall, no less than 5.5 in one module with the ESL. So there would be like English test over there that would they have to study, because उनकी English weak होती है, so they need to go there and study English. उनको पढ़ाया जाएगा, and that would be a separate cost that would cost them $2,532 for that. And उसके बाद अगर आप हमारी we are also accepting PT, we are also accepting Duolingo, TOEFL. PT की बात करें तो 59 overall we are accepting, and TOEFL 88, minimum 21 in each section, and Duolingo 110. So ये सारे scores हैं, ये सारे English test हैं जो कि King's University accept कर रही है. एंड जो अगर हम ट्यूशन डिपॉजिट की बात करें, लाइक हमारी ट्यूशन फीस की बात करें, सो वी आर अ वेरी रीजनेबल यूनिवर्सिटी. जो हमारी ट्यूशन फीस है, दैट इज जस्ट $20,000 फॉर 1 academic year. And we are also providing scholarship. Any student who has scored 80% and above, they will be eligible for the scholarship of $2,000. and any student who has scored 90% and above, they will be eligible for the scholarship of 3,000 Canadian dollars. So अगर कोई भी students हैं, they have scored a good percentage, so King's University is providing scholarship to those students. And if they go there and they continue to maintain the percentage, then उनकी scholarship भी वैसे ही continue होगी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो स्टूडेंट्स अच्छी परसेंटेज नहीं स्कोर कर पाए हैं अपने 12th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो दे नीड नॉट टू वरी. किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी में टाइम टू टाइम स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट होते रहते हैं जो कि स्टूडेंट दे सकता है, एंड दे कैन अप्लाई एंड दे कैन ग्रैब द स्कॉलरशिप. सो equal opportunity is given to all the students. And उसके बाद अगर हम like scholarship, and then of course we have so this was all about the, and of course the extra facilities. So अगर आप extra facilities की बात करें किंग्स यूनिवर्सिटी में, we have the counseling center. तो कोई भी student है, they feel homesick or something of that sort, तो we have the counseling centers over there जहाँ पे students को guide किया जाता है. Everything the student needs to go there. अगर student को पढ़ाई में कोई problem आ रहा है, like किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में, सो वी हैव द एकेडमिक एडवाइजर जो कि उनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस भी अरेंज करेंगे. देन वी हैव द रेजिडेंस फैसिलिटी एज वेल. इफ एनी स्टूडेंट अगर उनको रेजिडेंस फैसिलिटी चाहिए तो दैट वुड जस्ट कॉस्ट देम 4,000 Canadian dollars for one academic year, which is very reasonable, just the resident. And if they want the food as well, like the accommodation plus the food, that would cost them 7,500 Canadian dollars approximately for one academic year, which is very very reasonable जब आप university accommodation university campus accommodation की बात करते हैं. And application fees की अगर आप बात करें तो then our application fees is 140 Canadian dollars. And the students, they would be getting their offer letters just within a week if you apply through Integrity Immigration Group, because they are our registered partners. So of course, so this was all about the King's University.
Thank you so much, but we have some queries raised by some students, so would like to just discuss one by one. First of all, one of the student is asking regarding the conditional offer letter, like if a student is pursuing +2, and so can he or she apply for the same, for the offer letter conditional basis?
Definitely they can apply if they have their English test, like IELTS. If they have the IELTS, and they need to just get their pre-board results from the college, school. Okay. From the school, because they would be in their school 12th standard. तो आपको अपने school से वो लेना है, and your pre-board results and how much you are expecting in your 12th standard, then definitely we are happy to give the admission to you.
Okay, fine. And like some inquiries regarding that post-study work permit. So how many years student को कितने years तक अपना post-study work permit के लिए eligible होगा after graduation?
So after graduation, आपको you are eligible for 3 years of postgraduate work permit. So if you do a 3-year degree, then also 3 years of postgraduate work permit. And if you do a 4-year degree, then again 3 years of postgraduate work permit.
Okay. And ऐसी भी कोई facility है if student is already pursuing bachelor's over itself in India and want to like just take a transfer to Canada, so as such available है option?
No, not really. The student needs to do the graduation starting from the scratch at King's University.
Okay, fine. Okay, so one more query is there regarding the internship. So like, does we have like paid co-op programs?
Yes, of course, we have both paid and unpaid, but of course it the university helps the student to find the paid one, but it also depends upon the capability of the student.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. And the last one is regarding the intake.
Yes, very good question. I forgot to mention the intake. So we just have two intakes, that is Jan and September. And right now we are open for September intake. So students, if you have not applied, you still can apply. So अगर आप अपने 12th standard के results की wait कर रहे हैं, you need not to worry. आप अपना IELTS का exam देके आप अपना school से 12th standard का result pre boards का लेके you guys can apply into the King's University.
All right, all right. So let's just wait for a minute. I think.
Sure.
All right, I think everything is being already covered by you. So hopefully, so all the students who are willing to apply for September intake, and especially those who are without maths in medical and commerce field.
It's a
Yeah,
wonderful opportunity for
right.
them. Commerce without maths, medical without maths. Like medical students, they have already studied a lot, like physics, chemistry, and then biology. And then they come to the agents and they tell you that you don't have maths. It's very difficult to get you. They've already studied so much. So King's University is there for you students. You guys can apply into King's.
All right. So thank you so much, Sukhleen, regarding the such a valuable and informative session. Hopefully, we will start up with healthy applications, and students who are raising inquiries will definitely contact with us regarding the application process. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you so much, Tanisha ma'am, for
Thank you.
having me here and so that we can be in direct touch with the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.